Welcome to this latest video of the Excel interface add-on for OpenText PPM, or XLI for short, showcasing a set of new capabilities. The XLI is the most popular add-on ever created for OpenText PPM, first announced in 2013 and has been continuously enhanced ever since. Today, we're announcing a significant upgrade to the XLI's reporting capabilities, making PPM report creation even faster and more flexible than ever before. Previous videos available on our website show other modules and a day in the life of videos using XLI for different roles such as project managers and resource managers. But before we talk about these new capabilities, let me take a quick step back and briefly describe what the XLI is all about. So the tagline for the solution is flexibility of Excel with the governance of PPM. It's an alternative Excel-based UI for all PPM modules. It provides for a faster and more accurate data management experience. It can work on any number of PPM objects all at once. It also allows you to utilize the familiar and powerful built-in Excel features for PPM data editing, such as copy, paste, and formulas. It also has a set of unique and automated data quality checks. In order to use the XLI, there's nothing to install on the local end-user machine. You simply download the file and use it. There's also no ongoing maintenance. Everything is automatically inherited from PPM. Now let's start with the general overview of PPM reports. Authorized users can build their own reports within the XLI environment without any coding. Any textual PPM data can be included in a report across all modules, irrespective of the system's configuration. So all reports configuration gets stored to the server. Therefore, new reports can be immediately shared with other users without them needing new Excel files. It also comes with a set of high demand out-of-the-box reports. So we have a sample of the financial report down below. Today, we're taking the XLI reporting capabilities to a whole new level through something called dynamic reporting capabilities. In what ways are dynamic reports different than the previous version of XLI reports? Let's go ahead and compare. So previously, XLI reports only allow you to read data directly from the PPM database. And now with dynamic reports, you can read data from the PPM database and from locally stored Excel information within the XLI. Regular XLI reports only support tabular layouts. Now dynamic reports can support any desired layouts. And it also spills over into the formatting area. So previously, control over formatting was limited to column widths and cell number formats only. And now with dynamic reports, everything is fully flexible. It covers all formatting options supported by Excel. So for example, borders, fonts, and cell coloring. Now let's see the dynamic reports in action. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the XLI. So here is my local XLI file already open, and the first thing I have to do is authenticate myself on this logon screen. Now if I had SSO on my PPM implementation, this screen will be completely bypassed. So everything's already pre-filled. I'll go ahead and log on. After successfully logging on, the XLI takes me to this landing page, and down below different tabs are exposed that correspond to different PPM objects. So I have one for staffing profile, for example, and I have one for financial summary. In this demo, we're going to show how the new dynamic reporting capabilities can be used to create a very detailed project status reports, which also reads data dynamically from the staffing profile and financial summary tabs. So the first thing we do is go over to the financial summary tab and show you the cost data for this project called Global Treasury Platform Modernization, for which I'm about to generate the status report. Now let's take a look at the staffing profile information for this project. Now we have all the resource-related data created for this project. Now in order to generate a report, I'm going to go over to the Report tab. I'm going to select it from the list of available reports. So some of the reports are out of the box. In this case, we're going to select Dynamic Reports-Demo and go ahead and generate the report. So the report automatically generates a status report based on the project downloaded within the staffing profile and financial summary tabs. So there's no need to apply any additional parameters. So go ahead and generate. Okay, so here is our status report for the Global Treasury Platform Modernization project. So here we have a table based off what's usually stored in the project details information of the project within PPM. So project overview table. Then we have some RAG indicators for overall health of the project, schedule, cost, scope, quality. Going down further, we have some KPIs. We have KPIs for CPIs and SPIs. So information stored within the budget and financials and scheduling within the work plan. Then we have a table for financial summary by cost line. The source here indicate it's coming from the financial summary worksheet. Then we have a staffing profile table. It's also coming from the staffing profile worksheet here, as indicated. Then we have information coming from the work plan. We have milestones and their status. We have a table for top risks and open issues. Then we have some graphs here for trending of spending and by the monthly FTEs by assignment type. So if I actually go back to the financial summary tab or staffing profile tab, if I would actually make changes here, and then as soon as I return back to the actual reports, these changes would then be reflected. So that basically allows the project manager to perform some type of what-if analysis. Now let's conclude. I hope you found this video interesting and the new capabilities useful. Reporting possibilities are now endless with these capabilities, allowing you to easily pull any type of PPM data and display it any way you want. The XLI has been used for years by some of the top customers in Europe and Australia as an alternative PPM UI for enhancing productivity and data quality. And now with this new set of features, we believe that these benefits will only increase. Whether you're one of our existing XLI customers, not a customer yet, whether you're a small or large organization, please feel free to contact us at info@ppmetrics.com or visit us at www.ppmetrics.com. Thank you.